Hey guys, this is Austin with True North Concepts. Got something pretty interesting for you guys. Just want to give you a walkthrough on our new dab spacer. So this is the packaging you'll see. So I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough on what the contents are of the bag and what to expect, as well as how to install it. So when you open it up, you'll see there's going to be a little bag which is going to include some hardware and some spacers. Go ahead and take the hardware out of the bag here. You'll see there's going to be some shorter screws as well as some longer screws. The shorter screws are the ones that are going to go directly to your holster, and the longer screws are going to be the ones that you use to attach to your MHA or your RHP or any type of drop holster attachment that you're running. So one thing I'll mention here is you'll notice that on some of the holsters, whether it's Alien Gear or some of the Safari Lands, that there's actually some nubs that stick up on the backside. If that's the case, you will have to run the washers over top of those nubs. If you don't run it, then you're gonna have an issue where the dab, it won't sit flat on your holster. So if you have one of the holsters that are completely flat, you'll have no issue with taking that and dropping it straight on. But if you do have one of the ones with the post, you will need to run the washers on there. The reason we did this is because we had some issues where people that are running the Safari Lands with these thumb guards are having issues running their RHP or their MHA. It's just causing an issue with hitting up against that thumb guard. So we went ahead and we made this product so that you can go ahead and run your MHA or your RHP without any issues. Super easy install. I'll give you a walkthrough. So you're going to take your dab spacer, and all of the lettering is going to go face down on your holster. You're going to take your shorter of the 3 screws, you put it in there, another nice addition to this dab mount is you can adjust if you want forward or negative cant as well on the dab. So as well as your RHP or MHA that you can adjust it, you can also adjust a tiny bit of movement on the actual dab to the holster. So you go ahead and you'll make that tight. As far as how tight, I would probably make it hand tight and then go ahead with a 1/4 turn. If you're not running any washers, whether that is on your MHA, RHP, or directly to your holster, we do recommend the use of Vibratite or some Blue Loctite, just to make sure that those screws aren't going to back out. So now that's completely installed how it should be. Going to take your RHP or your MHA, whatever height that you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and pick. Take your longer of the screws. You will want to use some Vibratite or some Loctite. Both the MHA and the RHP will come with Vibratite in their bags, so you can use that to install all of this together. Same with this, you can make it hand tight and then probably get like an 1/8 of a turn. These can be fairly tight. You are on metal on metal. Now what you'll notice here is you get that offset. So the front side of your RHP is now cleared from your hood system. It does also give you a little bit of cant, so even if you're not running this style holster, if you're running body armor with side armor, it does give you a little bit extra clearance for your plate carriers. It just helps with the position of your holster as well. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. You can shoot us an email at info@truenorth-usa.com. I hope you guys enjoy the video.